This here is a Bahamian fishing boat. Check out the conch on the bow of that boat. Now they're harvesting that. Got on there. All right. Check those guys out, man. That's awesome.
So here we are. John caught 2 lionfish today. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm cutting off the poisonous spikes before I do any filleting. So you got to cut it off the bottom, the top, and all the, I don't know, what are they called? Dorsal fins. And the side fins, all of it, because they all have poison on them. So to be safe, that's what I'm doing. So there's one of the barbs there, right there. So the lionfish are evasive species in the Bahamas, and they want you to kill them. They have discovered that if you can eat them, they're actually a bit of a sweet fish. The fillets are fairly small, but it's a decent tasting fish. So, and then there's just these last ones at the back, and then it can be filleted. And there you go. A lionfish with all the pretty spikes cut off. Just a regular looking fish. Not bad. That's a good size one too. This one here is very good. The other one's a bit smaller. And there we go. That's it. All done. All done.
We're gonna go dive on the plane, and then we're gonna dive in the aquarium. This is spectacular. We'll see if Johnny Depp may call us up over there. Like, that's his island. He may call us up over for dinner. I don't know. We'll see. See if we're on his good side or his bad side. You know what the funny thing is he owns that island over there. Okay, this island. And my island, which is 43 feet long and 14 feet wide, is right across from his. It's hilarious. And on my island, I have booze, beer, food, steaks, lobster. You know, I'm eating good, man. I mean, we have wine, beer, food, whatever, you know. And, you know, I've got a stripper too. Yeah, Sandy there. She's not much of a, she I gotta take that part out. She ain't gonna like that. I gotta take that out. That ain't gonna happen. These are some Swedish people we met. They're on a charter, and they're having a little engine trouble every time they go somewhere, but they're being taken care of. So it's all, guys, again, thanks for watching these videos. I don't have a lot of views on them. Like, a lot of people don't watch them. I mean, like, I average about 150 views, but that's important. You know, 150 views. That means 150 people are watching it. Some are less, actually. But regardless, it's all good. And hopefully they make you laugh a bit. All right.
Good?
Yep.